Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a full face of Juvia's Place. I've been wanting to film this video for so long. I was missing like a few things, maybe like one or two things, and I went into Ulta and they have so much Juvia's Place makeup. It's insane. If you guys haven't tried it, definitely try it out. So you can swatch so many other products, a lot of their palettes, their foundations. Actually, their matte foundation was on sale at my local Ulta for like $13. So yeah, you guys, I am so excited to show you guys how to create a beautiful like deep berry. Like you can use this as a Halloween tutorial because it's giving vampire. Okay, so you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump into today's full face of Juvia's Place makeup. Okay, let's get started. I have my little box here. We're going to start off with the lips. This is the new Juvia's Place lip oil. This is in watermelon. I was going to say shade, taste. I don't know what you want to call this, but I really love the way these hydrate the lips and they stay hydrated. They're not thick, but they're not runny either. It's like the perfect in-between color. Not color, sorry. Formula. These don't stain your lips. They just give you a really nice juicy effect. So let's move on to the eyes. I want to start off with the eyes first because I want to create like a really pretty like berry color eyeshadow. So of course we're going to prep and prime using the eye primer. This is in shade 2. I love this one. It's a little darker than what I typically go for, but nonetheless it is a great primer and it's super affordable. So I'm gonna dot my eyes generously and then I'm gonna go in with a brush like this. This is from Rare Beauty. And all I'm gonna do is I'm going to stamp this all over. I have a few Juvia's Place palettes, but I really, again, wanted to create something pink, hence the pink purple background theme. So for today, I'm going to use the Berries, which is a really pretty berry and pink palette. I have done a look with this palette before, so honestly, I might end up kind of recreating that look since, I mean, there's so much that you can do with a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna go for a halo eye today. So let me just reblend this out and then we're gonna jump right into the eye tutorial. So for my lashes, I'm going to take the Nefertiti. I think that's how you pronounce them. These are really pretty. I have repurchased these over and over again. If you're also looking for like a half lash, the Style Kush is really pretty. So let me pull these out. I'm pretty sure these are the ones that are my favorite. Oh yeah, these are so gorgeous. Okay, lashes are on. I love this. I kind of like weaned out my look, but I kind of went overboard on like this side. So we'll have to clean that up once we put a little bit of concealer. But I prepped the skin because Juvia's Place, to my knowledge, does not have a primer for my foundation. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to do, but I'm going to go with the newest one, which is their Radiance Foundation. This is such a great product if you have dry skin, especially around the winter time. I feel like I get super, super dry. So I think I'm going to mix two. I'm not sure. Let's see. This one is Bombay. And I think this one might match me pretty well. This one looks a little light. So let's go ahead and check it out. I think I'm just going to do a pump of each, and I do have a little zit that came in a few days ago, and she does not want to leave. And then for my foundation sponge, I am going to use the Juvia's Place foundation. This one is really good. You can use it on either side, but I'm going to go look at that. Like, this is so full coverage. It is a little yellow. Oh, and it smells so good. I forgot how good it smelled. Honestly, I have not used this foundation in so long because I switched out like my makeup drawers and I put the foundations that don't stand up on another drawer, and apparently this one was like all the way in the back. But look at that. The coverage is insane. I definitely need to bring that down all the way to the neck. Completely covered that zit. That's how full coverage this is. How beautiful does this foundation look? Like, I'm telling you, if you are dry, you're going to love this. I'm going to go in with their concealer. I think this is the I Am Magic concealer. Mine is literally like the words are gone because it is that old. So I'm going to go ahead and take a decent amount and apply it right here. Then I think I'm going to take some to the forehead. I haven't done this in a while, but since the under eyes are going to be pretty bright, I want it to be nice and balanced. And then I'm going to let this sit on the skin for a few seconds. I'm going to go in with my favorite Juvia's products. Can you guys guess? The bronzer, I posted about this not too long ago on a video, and you guys seem to agree that this product is the bomb. And I'm going to go ahead and take that. This literally reminds me so much of like the Anastasia one, the Huda Beauty one, except this one is a lot creamier. This one also reminds me of the Say Beauty. It's just really creamy. It adds the perfect like bronze tone without being too cool tone, which is my personal favorite. I don't like bronzers that are too cool tone. I prefer for them to either be right in the middle or a little warmer. I'm going to use a brush, and then I'm going to go in with my sponge. I just feel like brushes really like keep the product in place. And I don't know, it looks better in my opinion. You get more coverage. It looks prettier. I don't know. You guys already have plans for Thanksgiving. I would love to know what kind of food do you guys make, okay? Because I've been hosting Thanksgiving for the past 2 years, and I feel like we always make the same things, and I definitely want to switch it up this year. I'm not sure if we're going to stay here in Texas, if we're going to go back home to Utah for Thanksgiving. Not sure what the plan is still, but I do want to create some delicious food if we end up staying here. So let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite dish to make for Thanksgiving, side dishes, desserts, like all the good stuff. I want to know. Ugh, I am obsessed with this skin. Okay, let's take this blush. This is Blush Lily. It's definitely giving a little more like purpley pink, but I think it'll look super cute. I'm actually only going to do a little bit because this is pretty pigmented. I'm going to take a little bit on the nose. And what do you guys like to blend your liquid blush with? I think I'm going to use a brush because I know this is going to be super pigmented. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Also in the comments down below, let me know what videos you guys want to see next, and maybe like what one brand tutorials, because I have been having such a hard time these past 2 weeks, like just uploading content because I do not know what else to film. I'm like, I am so not exactly burnt out, but I am out of ideas. So I would love to know what you guys want to see next. You guys want to see like a video where I show you guys like what I cook? I know vlogs don't tend to do very well on my channel, but I think it's one of those things that I just gotta keep uploading so you guys can grow with me in that aspect of vlogging. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? I'm gonna use a powder foundation, okay? This is the, I think it is I Am Magic powder foundation, something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but this one is full coverage. Because it is so light, I am going to use that to set underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to take that powder foundation and I'm going to set, oh my gosh, there's like so many little fuzzies around my face and I can't stand them. I'm going to take some of that and really like press it under the eyes to get that really nice bright eye, which I think will go really pretty with the pink blush. And then I'm setting the entire skin with the shade Bogota, which is a little bit deeper. It's not as light. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but this one is Cairo and it just looks really pretty underneath the eyes. I really like a bright under eye. I go through phases where I don't like it and then I do like it. For my blush, of course, we're going to match. This is the blush that went viral. This is the Volume 4 blush palette, and I'm going to start with the darkest pink. I'm going to take a little bit off because these are very pigmented, and I'm going to take the brighter or the darker pink, just kind of like all across here. Literally you need the smallest amount because this stuff is. And then what I like to do, I like to take a fluffier brush like this, and I'm going to take that pink. Because this pink is very, very light, it has a little bit more of a cooler undertone, and it doesn't necessarily look the best on my skin. I like to take it underneath the eyes as well and kind of like drag it to blend it seamlessly between the powder underneath the eyes and that blush. And it just kind of creates that, or it kind of, you know, erases that harsh line. So just take a little bit on like the tip of the brush and then bring it in. You can also mix both of the shades and it creates a prettier pink. Now for highlighter, I don't have one. I used to have a loose highlighter, but I don't know what happened. I think I might have gotten rid of it. So I'm just going to use this one for now. I went to TJ Maxx earlier today and they had a bunch of Jaclyn Cosmetics as well as Morphe stuff. So I was like, I'm going to get me one. This one is the highlighter in the shade Iced. It's really, really pretty. Oh, she's pigmented. This is actually going to go really nice with the look because it is more of a white highlighter. Wow, that is very pigmented. I wonder if her brand is closing. I know that she talked about closing her other brands, but she hasn't talked about closing Jaclyn Cosmetics. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to go with a bold lipstick. This is Drama Queen from their Berries collection. It is a deep berry. And this is the final look. So this is a full face of Juvia's Plays makeup. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's definitely giving like Vampire Girl. Very sultry, very fall, very dark, but really pretty. Like this is such a vibe. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comment section down below what videos you want to see next because I really need some help. I'm having so much like mental blockage and excuse me, I would appreciate any help. So with that said, thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.